Right here's 1980 Drascombe Lugger ONKAHYE on the lift. Got the motors running. Just heading down. Gonna get a couple of shots for photo shoot today of the interior, and then we'll do a little sailing in the morning. But this is the rig we have for the strap lift. A couple of bars, a motor on each side, run them both at the same time, and they put her down nice and gentle. Motor kicked up so it's not dragging. We probably got close to 2 feet of water right now that we can get down to where the boats would be sitting on the bottom here, with a few of the tides we have. Not extreme like I know a lot of you folks have, but that's where she's at. Stern's in the water, so back to work.